To start printing, first insert the SD card in the slot located in the right side of the machine. Then select the file you wish to print. Please note that depending on which materials you are printing, applying some glue beforehand might help the first layer to stick better to the build plate. Wait for the bed and chamber heat to reach the desired temperature. The printing then starts. After the print is completed, wear gloves to remove the magnetic build plate. Then use any suitable tool to remove the piece from the plate. The printing process is completed.